In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a two-piece Christmas tree stand and slot. This is the extra large, and if you're like me and you got a kind of a big Christmas tree and you want to pack it down, I highly recommend one of these things. I have used one of these before and I misplaced it and I don't have it anymore, but then now I got me a new one and I want to go ahead and show y'all exactly how this thing works. So let me cut it out of the package here, and then I'm not going to pack my tree down, by the way, because it is Christmas and I just put all this crap up, but I do want to show you this bag that you can get now for when you want to put your tree back in there. So let me open it up and just kind of like show you the overall use of the bag. Okay, open it up here. So it feels kind of like a tarp. If you've ever had like any type of tarp material, it feels like that, like it's a ripstop top nylon. It's got stitch in handles, so they've got really big wide handles, and you can see how big this this bag is. Basically, it's like a big, huge IKEA bag with a zipper in the middle. So this zips down, and all of the tree will fit down in there. And then you look at this, and this is where your base will go. So you can fit your ornaments, your tree, and everything will fit down in here, because this tree does pack down very tightly, and I don't have a box for it. And I've been using a tote, but this year I'm going to put it in one of these and then put it up under the house and let it sit there for another year until next year. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, the Christmas bag, Christmas tree bag, and the Christmas tree. See y'all in the next video.